Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Brevelle Oracle Touch Espresso machine. It comes to us with some issues. So when I test it, I find out this solenoid valve, the three-way solenoid valve was broken. So I replaced it with a new one. And both boilers was leaking from because of these O-rings. So I just replaced them and put in new ones. And then the customer was complaining some spitting water from here while he's doing the cleaning cycle. So I clean it as much as I can, but nothing else can do with it. So if it happens again, I recommend to put a rag here to prevent that from coming out. But it's not gonna happen when there is some water in that tray. But when it's empty, that's normal to have some spit. So let me just try it without. It's just one time for 15 seconds with that blind basket to see if it's gonna happen again after that cleaning. But definitely if there is some water in the tray, and we never spit it out. 14, 15, nothing come out from here. So let's do espresso shot. I replaced that. This is the basket comes with the machine, but I like always to try it, test it with the double shots. So I replace it with a double shot basket, and I clean and recalibrate the grinder so it's a start on this number giving 34. It gives almost the right to me, and it's became way finer. So if you put it back in the same number you used to do it, it's gonna give you a crazy fine grind. You need to go way more and recalibrate it as you like. Here is what I have here, so it's finer than what it comes. Sometimes maybe the customer like it more watery coffee, but I like to calibrate it in the right exact shot how it comes when it's brand new, and after that they can recalibrate it as they like. I'm using testing beans. It's not that perfect beans, but still okay. It's this is for Americano, so you can put it there to do. There is thick crema, good coffee, and the steamer was almost clogged. It's just releasing some. So let's test the steamer. Let's do it also manual. Clean itself. That's how it's supposed to do. Test it manually. That works great. Everything functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.